On today's roads, safety and awareness aren't optional. They're essential. Acting as your silent guardian, the ThinkWare T700 Dash Cam delivers crystal-clear Full HD recording with Sony Starvis sensors, advanced night vision, and wide-angle coverage. Sleek in design, yet powerful in performance, combining advanced safety with a design that never gets in the way. In this video, we'll talk about these topics: unboxing, smart features, specifications, installation, app connection, safety precautions, and troubleshooting. What's in the box? In the box, you'll find the ThinkWare T700 front and rear dash cam, power cord with car charger and mounting accessories, documentation pamphlet. Want to grab the ThinkWare T700 Car Dash Cam from Amazon? Just tap the link in the description below. Smart features. With a 4G LTE nano SIM card, the T700 connects to the ThinkWare app, letting you view live footage, receive parking impact alerts, and monitor your vehicle in real time, even when you're away. This technology uses image signal processing, ISP, to enhance brightness and clarity in low-light footage, ensuring details like license plates are visible even in dark alleys or unlit parking lots. The dual-band Wi-Fi connects seamlessly to the ThinkWare Link app, letting you review footage, download videos, and change settings with ease. Built-in GPS tracks speed, location, and provides safety camera alerts for added protection. Automatically triggers a 20-second recording when motion or impact is detected, capturing 10 seconds before and after the event. Stay alert with real-time warnings for lane departures, forward collisions, and more. These smart alerts help you react quickly to sudden changes. Extra protection that makes every drive safer. Specifications? Installation. In this video, we'll show you two methods to install your dash cam. Method 1, via the cigarette lighter socket. Method 2, via hardwiring your dash cam to your car's fuse box. Choose an installation spot that captures the full front view without blocking the driver's vision. Clean the windshield neatly for a proper adhesion. Insert a compatible MicroSD and nano SIM card into the dash cam before powering it on. The device will automatically format the card for first use. Always use a high-quality card to ensure stable recording and storage. Apply the heat-blocking film to the chosen installation area on the windshield. Remove the protective film from the adhesive mount and press it firmly onto the cleaned selected surface. Adjust the angle so the camera is centered and level with the road ahead. Route the power cord to the vehicle's power outlet. Use the included wiring trim tool to hide the power cord underneath the vehicle's headliner and rubber seal along the A-pillar. Attach the car charger to the dash cam, then insert the DC-in plug into the car's cigarette lighter socket securely. Ensure the connection is firm, and the dash cam powers on when the vehicle is started. Mount the rear camera at the top center of the rear windshield facing outward. Clean the glass, then secure the camera using the provided adhesive or bracket. Route the cable along the interior trim to the front unit and plug it into the main dash cam. Hardwiring the dash cam. First, turn your ignition off. Then find the cabin compartment fuse box in your vehicle. You can look for the exact location of your fuse box from the vehicle's user manual. Once you've found the cabin fuse box, proceed with the following steps. Step 1. Connect the hardwire kit to the device, then neatly tuck the cable along the edge of the headliner for a clean and secure installation. Step 2. Use a multimeter to test the fuses in your vehicle. Identify one that supplies constant power even when the engine is off, and another accessory fuse that only provides power when the engine is running. The VCC fuse should provide 12 volts even when the vehicle is off, while the ACC fuse should supply 12 volts only when the vehicle is running and no voltage when the car is turned off. Avoid using specific fuses like SRS, airbag, ABS, anti-lock braking system, or ECU, engine control unit, to prevent potential damage to your vehicle. Instead, use spare or unused fuse slots in the fuse box whenever possible. You can safely use non-critical fuses like the cigarette lighter, radio, or interior lights for accessory power connections. Step 3. Route the red VCC plus wire to the identified constant power fuse and secure the connection using an add-a-fuse tap or appropriate terminal method. Fuse taps are directional. The outer metal prong of the fuse tap is where power comes in. This prong must connect to the powered terminal in the fuse box, meaning the outer prong of the fuse tap should align with the metal contact in the fuse slot that supplies power. Step 4. Route the yellow ACC plus wire to a switched power fuse, ACC, using a fuse tap, ensuring the circuit is energized only when the ignition is in the ACC or run position. Step 5. Route the black ground wire to a clean, unpainted metal bolt on the vehicle's chassis and securely fasten it to ensure a solid ground connection. Set up with app. Download the ThinkWare Connected app from the App Store or Google Play. Before setup, insert a nano eSIM card, data enabled, into the slot on your T700 Dash Cam. This allows your dash cam to connect to mobile networks for remote access. Open the app and create or log in to your ThinkWare account. Turn on your dash cam, then follow the on-screen instructions in the app to register the device. The app will guide you to pair the dash cam with your account using the dash cam's serial number or QR code. Once registered, the dash cam connects via LTE to the app. From anywhere, you can check live vehicle status, receive impact or parking alerts, track GPS location, and remotely view or download videos. This gives full control and security even when you're away from your car. Safety precautions. Troubleshooting. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link in the description below to grab your ThinkWare T700 Dash Cam. See you in the next one.